Hi guys, myself Mary and you are watching Snails to Bolt Yoga Asanas. Today we'll be doing the tree pose, which is also called as the Vrikshasana. This is a foundational yoga pose which is helpful in strengthening our legs. It will also help us improve our balance and focus. So grab your mat and let's get balancing. First we will stand in Tadasana. We will lift our toes off the mat. We will pretend like they are the roots of the tree, okay? And we will spread them out and then connect them to the mat. So this will help us in grounding the foot. Now, we will first start with the right leg. So we will treat the right leg as a standing leg, okay? We will tighten the right thigh, engaging the core. We will lift the left leg up and place the left foot either on the right ankle such that the toes are touching the mat, or depending upon your balance you can place them on the calf over here, okay? Or you can go further up and place your left foot on the inner thigh over here, okay? Now when you're placing your left foot on the inner thigh, make sure that the left foot is not contacting the knee joint at any point, otherwise it will pressurize the knee joint, okay? Now, you will gaze in front at a fixed point so that you don't go off balance. Balancing is very important in this posture, okay? So gazing in front, we will lift our hands up and bring them in front of the chest. Now, this is the classical tree pose, guys. Now we can add a bit of variations to this pose. That is, we can raise the hands up in this position, or we can bring the hands closer to the ear this way. We can also spread our hands apart like this, like the branches of a tree. Now to make it more challenging, you can even gaze up. So you'll start to wobble a bit in this pose. So make sure that you're practicing it beside a wall so that you can take support from it. Now, you can also add a twist to your tree pose. Now for adding a twist, what we do is we will place our left hand behind the back and then exhaling, we will twist to the left side. Now here, your right hand will be touching the left thigh on the outer edge. This is a twisted tree pose. You can also do a lotus variation of the tree pose. Now this variation is extremely beneficial for opening up the hips as well as increasing the flexibility, okay, of the hips. So what we do here is we will bend our left leg at the knee and then place the left heel on the front thigh of the right leg or on the hip. Now if there is pain in the knee in this posture, okay, or if you have knee injury, then you have to be cautious while performing this, or it's better you avoid the lotus variation of the tree pose in such a case, okay? Now, we'll bring our hands in front. This is the lotus variation of the tree pose, also called as a half lotus tree pose. That's it, guys. We are done with today's asana. Just relax, shake off your legs a bit. Also we've done the variation for the right side, so please do the variation for the left side as well, okay? Now, relax and come forward. Bring your hands to the sides, on the top and in the front. Thank you for watching, guys. Also do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until then, stay fit, stay safe.